Hello. Hi. What's your name? Emma. Nice to meet you, Emma. I'm Jacob. This is Toothless. And that is Wobble. And you say Wobble, yell Wobble. He's pretending that if he moves really still and, I'm not going to pretend. I can see you, Wobble. You're not even hiding behind anything.
That never works.
Okay. Wobble, come over here. I want you to meet my new friend. Remind me of your name? Emma. This is Emma. Emma, is this your first time in the village?
Are you scared of dragons too?
No. Oh, well, maybe she can help you. Wobble is still a little scared of dragons. We have gotten very used to them.
A little.
Years, but
Just a little scared.
Now, I'm going to show Emma that dragons, especially this one, are nothing to be afraid of. Would you like to help?
Yeah, I'm gonna look at this.
Okay. Go ahead and stick your hand out for a second.
Careful! Careful!
Oh, you're so...
He can strike at any
He's not gonna
time!
strike. He's friendly. He just wants to pet somebody, so he's just like that.
You're very brave.
Oh, well.
You're very
maybe,
brave.
maybe you can teach Wobble a little bit about bravery. Wobble, would you like to join us for a